I used to live in an old apartment building downtown. The walls were thin, and at night I'd hear my neighbor talking to someone, a low, mumbling voice. I assumed he had late-night phone calls, but one evening I bumped into him in the hallway. I casually mentioned the talking, and he went pale. "You hear it too?" he asked. Confused, I nodded, and he whispered, "I live alone." That night I lay in bed, my ears straining for any sound. Just after midnight, I heard the familiar mumbling through the wall. Only this time, it was clearer, louder. And it wasn't just one voice. There were two. One deep and distorted, the other sounded like me. The voice repeated my name over and over until it turned into frantic, desperate screaming. I moved out the next morning. My old neighbor, he disappeared a week later. They never found him.